Hello and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating how to repair the swirl flap rod for the intake manifold of a Mercedes V6 diesel engine, the OM642. The rod and its components are plastic, which wear over time, causing play in the mechanism which controls the swirl flaps. Sometimes, due to the constant mechanical motion and the heat generated by the engine, the rod itself can snap, causing problems, and the clips come loose very easily. You can see here the wear on the rod caused by the mechanical motion. This will get worse, causing further problems. Our kit is designed to fix the issue without needing to replace the manifold, which is usually advised by the manufacturer. Our kit consists of a new aluminium rod with sensor pickup points which will be far more durable than the previous plastic one. It also includes new two-part bushes to help stop the wear from the motion. And 3 new retaining clips, which are thicker and longer than the originals, to help stay in place. The first stage of removing the old rod is to remove the old retaining clips, which will quite often be loose and may even pull out with your hand or just by pulling up on the rod. Once these are removed, the rod will come away. As shown here. The first stage of reinstallation is to fit the first half of the two-part bush. You fit the set part downwards into the rotating arm. You can now line up the rod with the rotating arms. When fitting, correctly orientate the sensor pickup points with the sensors on the manifold. If you don't do this correctly, the engine management light will illuminate. Placing your hand on the rod for stability, push our new clips down into the holes on the rotating arms. They should push in and click to locate correctly. Once the new rod and clips are fitted, you should be able to feel and see that the play in the motion of the rod has now gone and the swirl flaps will work as they should. Thank you for watching. If you need any help or advice, please contact us on 01843 OM642 or email us on sales@x8r.co.uk. Thank you.